everyone. My name is Devasmita Das. I am from MBA. I am here to present the topic language syntax. So here are the contents of my topic. What is programming? What is programming language? What are the few basic instructions appear in every language? What is the syntax? Here I am going to take Java as an example. So what is programming? Programming is a way to instruct the computer to perform various tasks sum of two numbers or some testing or debugging. For those tasks, we need to program the computer. So instruct the computer means that you provide the computer a set of instruction, or you can take lots of instruction and give it to the computer that are written in a particular language that computer can understand. Then what is programming language? Performing the various tasks, we use programming languages that are understandable by the computer, such as C, C++, Java, Python, etc. There are lots of another programming languages are present. Then what are the few basic instructions appear in every programming languages? In every programming languages, some instructions are common, like input. As you know, input, the computer gather the data from keyboard or any other files or other devices. Output means it will give you the result after doing its task. Conditional execution means if you give some task to the computer or instruction to the computer, it will check what are the conditions and what you need to what you need computer to give you the result. It will execute it on your output screen. Then what is repetition? Repetition means computer repeat the task repeatedly. Then what is syntax? The syntax means the structure of statement in computer language. For example, public static void main under bracket strings square bracket args. Then syntax, using Java as an example. In Java, the syntaxes are comment lines. In Java, there are three types of comments. Like single line comment, it starts with double slash. Let's say example, the color of the car is black. It is a single line comment example. In it, you can use only one sentence as a comment, and it will not show you the result in your output screen. Then multi-line comments example. My name is Devasmita and I am 21 years old. These are two comments, and it starts with one slash and one star and ends with star and then slash. Another is documentation comment. In this, you can it like multi-line comment. Then source file name example gfg.java. Here the source file is gfg and Java is the extension where your programming is stored. Then Java is case sensitive language. For example, system.out.println under bracket ls. It's the valid syntax because the word system starts with capital letter, and it have to be capital letter. Then if we write system.out.println under bracket ls, here see in system word the s is lowercase letter. It's the invalid syntax. Then it has some class names. The first letter of the class name should be uppercase. For example, class my Java. Then public static void main, the method main is the main entry into the program where the program or processing starts. Then the sixth is method names. All method names should be in lowercase. For example, public void employee record. Here the method name is employee record, and in employee record e should be lowercase. Then identifiers are the name of local variables, classes, methods, etc. All identifiers begin with the letter. It should be begin with the letter, and it should not be starts with any numbers or any other symbols. Legal identifiers like mean number, total, or digit 07. So then it has access modifiers. These access modifiers controls the scope of the class of the method. Some access modifiers are default, public, protected, and private. In private, your program will be in private so that no one can change it, and in public, your program will be public so anyone can change. Then Java keywords. Java keywords are those words in a language that represent some predefined actions. For example, default, else, finally, package, etc. So these are my references from where I take all the information. So here I will stop. Thank you.